This video is going to take a look at the basics of creating a Canvas quiz. To get started, you're going to want to select a Canvas course. I've started with a sandbox, and we're going to come down to where it says Quizzes inside of the course. Click on Quizzes, and then in the top right, click on the blue Add Quiz button. We're going to start with classic quizzes. Ask your OIDCs about anything related to new quizzes, and hit Submit. From this screen, you can add details. I'm going to add a title. Under Quiz Instructions, you can include text, but since it is a rich content editor, you can add other things such as pictures, videos, and links. Underneath Quiz Type, you can change the type of quiz. Under Assignment Group, you can assign it to a specific assignment group, but if you haven't created any assignment groups, it will drop into the assignments by default. Underneath Options, you can see different options for your quiz. In addition, you can also set quiz restrictions, such as an access code. Last but not least, under Assign, you can either assign it to everyone in your Canvas course, specific sections, or even specific individuals just by simply typing their names or sections in this box. Last but not least, due dates and times that the quiz will be available from can be changed here at the bottom, and you can also add additional times with this button. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the next section. Next, we're going to start creating our questions. So from the bottom of our details page, we're going to scroll to the very top of our quiz and click on the Questions tab located here. You'll notice there's 3 question options. Create a new single question, create a new question group, or we can find questions. Let's start off with creating a new single question. From this screen, we can create the name of the question, the type of the question, type in the question itself, and below, we can type in our answers. In this section here, you can see we have different answers. You can also add new answers over here. As you saw, I typed in different answers in each of these boxes. To change which answer is correct, you simply need to hover over the green arrow by the answer and click on it. Now I've selected salad as the correct answer for what kind of snack is best. You can also add information in these little boxes. So if I wanted to tell my students, you can type in a little comment depending upon what they choose, hit done, and now that comment will be assigned with the question. To finish up, we'll just hit Update Question here at the bottom. Congratulations, you've created your first question inside of Canvas. Last but not least, we're going to take a look at question groups. To create a new question group, we're going to simply click on this button located here. You can title your question group. You can pick how many questions Canvas is going to take from the group and give to your students while they're taking the Canvas quiz. And you can assign however many points each of those questions will be worth. Additionally, if you have questions created in a question bank, you can select them by clicking this link. But we're going to go ahead and create a new group now. There's 2 ways to add questions inside of a question group. You can either simply click and drag a question inside of a question group, or you can add by clicking this plus sign over here on the right-hand side. Again, if you have questions created, you can find them using this icon here at the bottom. And if you're using Mastery Pathways, you can access it and build it for this particular quiz by clicking this tab at the top. Now last but not least, there's 2 options for saving and publishing. You can simply click Save, and that will save your quiz and not allow students to take it. Or you can save and publish, which should make the quiz public for students to take. I hope this helps, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.